Good morning, children. Today we will do the next chapter, the chapter 8, polar regions. Can you see the polar regions? In this chapter, we will learn about the North Pole and South Pole region. So we'll take the book in our hand, page 38. Earth's polar regions are areas surrounding North Pole. So which are the polar regions? Near the North Pole and South Pole region. These regions are called frigid zone. I told you in the previous chapter also when you were learning about the heat zones that 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north is your north frigid zone, and from 66.5 degree south, okay, to 90 degrees south is your south frigid zone. Here the sun rays fall very slanting or almost do not reach. So these are your very cold. North Pole and South Pole being the centers are dominated by ice caps. So these are the centers. So they are always covered with ice. Sun rays do not reach here. Resting respectively on Arctic Circle. So here is Arctic Circle, here is Antarctica, the continent. In the north we have Arctic Circle, Antarctica in the north. Clear? Antarctica is here, Arctic Circle in the north. The continent of Antarctica, which is in the south, is known as the frozen continent also. It is always covered with snow as there is no ice melting and no sun rays reach here properly. Polar sea ice is currently diminishing. Okay. Now the ice in the polar seas, both in the North Pole and South, is melting because of the global warming, because of the increasing of temperature. Okay. Next you have the North Frigid Zone. This next paragraph is a place for few people or some countries, namely. In this zone we find some countries where people live. Which are the countries? Alaska, Canada, Denmark, Scandinavia, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Siberia, Finland, Russia. All these countries are in the North Frigid Zone. Some people live here. South Frigid Zone, nobody lives here. Here is a continent named Antarctica, but no permanent habitation is here. That means people do not live here permanently. McMurdo Station is the largest research station. But in Antarctica there are research stations. Many countries, बहुत सारी countries ने अपने रिसर्च के लिए कुछ स्टेशंस बनाए हैं, लैब्स बनाई हैं, जहाँ पे हर कंट्री से अपने अपने रिसर्च लैब में जाके वहाँ के साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च करते हैं. India also has a research station here named Maitri. Okay, McMurdo Station is the largest research station in Antarctica. So clear, in Antarctica no permanent habitation, people do not live here, but there are research stations of different countries where the scientists come for few months with proper accommodation. They go and then there they stay for research and then they come back. There are also notable stations run by USA, Argentina, New Zealand, Russia. Many expeditions means बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स जो हैं रिसर्च के लिए यहाँ पर अंटार्कटिका में एक्सप्लोरेशन के लिए गए हैं. ओके, many groups have gone and done research in Antarctica. All right. So clear about North Pole and South Polar region. Arctic Circle and Antarctica Circle. Antarctica the continent. Here there is habitation, there are different countries where people live, but here it is extremely cold, no habitation is found except the research station. Next we have what type of climate is here. Okay, next you have climate. Climate means वहाँ का जलवायु कैसी, मौसम कैसा रहता है हमेशा. The climate near the North Pole and South Pole is so cold that when the snow falls, it does not melt. We know that here the sun rays almost do not reach. So here the climate is very very cold. Ice do not melt, but gradually accumulates. Accumulates means collect हो जाती है, but धीरे धीरे सारी स्नो कलेक्ट होने लगती है और उसकी एक आइस शीट बन जाती है. The ice sheets in southern hemisphere are much larger than the northern hemisphere. यहाँ पे जो आइस शीट है अंटार्कटिका में बहुत थिक है, बहुत मोटी मोटी आइस शीट है कंपेयर टू नॉर्थ पोल. ओके, covering the entire continent of Antarctica. So here it is more cold compared to north, and in south we know no habitation. Ice is thick here, so ice sheets are very thick covering Antarctica, called as frozen continent. In the north, by contrast, ice sheets are restricted mainly to Greenland. If we go to north, that is in an Arctic circle, ice sheets will be found only in Greenland much. Most of the Arctic circle surrounding the North Pole is ocean, and sea water freezes from sea ice. So here we have ocean, Arctic Ocean. Most of the water is in ice form. The cold polar climates are experiencing very low temperature. We know both North Pole and South Pole experience very low temperature here because sun does not rise here. For 6 months there is completely darkness. Winters are very cold. Temperature falls below 40 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it is recorded minus 80 degree, 89.2 degrees Celsius. Once it was recorded minus 80 to 89.2 degree. Mostly it is minus 40 degree Celsius. Below this point it goes. So temperature is very low, very cold in Antarctica. Once it was noticed minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Since the air in the polar region is so cold, it contains very little moisture. We know cold air has no moisture. ठंडी हवा में नमी नहीं होती है. So there is no moisture here in the air. Such dry air means that there is very little snowfall. When there is no moisture in the air, there will be no rain also much. So here is very less snowfall. Polar climate can be dry as the hot desert. So जैसे हम लोग desert बोलते हैं ना, संपूर्ण रेत से ढका रहता है, वैसे ही होते cold desert जो पूरे बर्फ से ढके रहते हैं. Because we don't find any vegetation here, हमें यहाँ कोई plants नहीं मिलेंगे because of the much cold. So polar climate is like a desert type of. Right at the poles, the sun shines for half of the year. We know in the North Pole and South Pole for 6 months sun rises, they face the sun, and for 6 months do not. So for 6 months winter, 6 to 8 months winter. Okay, so 6 months there is day and 6 months there is only night, complete darkness. When the sun is visible during summer at the South Pole, there is dark winter in the moon. Vice versa we have, if it is winter here, here it is summer. That means if it is complete dark here, it is 6 month brightness here. If it is bright here, then it is complete darkness. So this is the climate over here. Very cold, very low temperature. Okay, the cold winds blow without moisture. Okay, and it is always covered with thick ice. Human habitation is not here, but there are some countries where people live here. Greenland in north is totally covered with ice, but Antarctica is fully covered. Alright, and we learned that temperature freezes below minus degree, 40 minus. Okay, so this is for climate today. Next, about plant life and animal life we will do in the next class. Till then you have to read about very little about this page and about the climate. What is polar region and what is climate? This is for today, children. Read it and study nicely. Have a good day. Bye.